Hi, I'm Mitch with Encapsulations Down Under, and if you're worrying about a crawl-space dehumidifier, you've come to the right place. Stay tuned. The crawl-space dehumidifier is one of the most important parts during a crawl-space encapsulation. Its entire goal is to control humidity within the crawl-space and prevent your crawl-space from potentially having mold growth, fungus, wood rot, and other issues. The biggest difference with a crawl-space rated dehumidifier is its reliability. The April Airs come with a 5-year manufacturer warranty, and they're made in the US of A, and they are energy efficient as well. They also have a built-in humidistat in them that works just like a thermostat in your house does. It registers the humidity levels in the crawl space and turns on and off as needed depending on the humidity setting. If we set the crawl space to 55% humidity and it's at 54, it won't kick on, thus saving you energy. April Air's customer service is also amazing, and they're very easy to connect with. It comes with a 5-year manufacturer bumper-to-bumper warranty, so if anything goes wrong within 5 years, they will fix it or replace it for free. In summary, the April Air dehumidifier is one of the premier choices when it comes to a crawl space or a basement dehumidifier. If you have any questions or anything, or you feel you may need a dehumidifier, give us a call. Thank you and have a wonderful day.